Evie, what are you doing? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day one. I'm so excited to kick things off. We're actually getting ready to go get our photos with Santa. We do this every single year with the pets. As you can see, I have Echo here, which I haven't introduced you guys to, obviously, because she stays at home. But we all have little matching pajamas on. They're all from Peter Alexander. We got these last year. But yeah, she's got her little bandana. And then we've got Evie. Evie, come here.
Hey, Mommy.
And Evie, come here. Come here. You guys all know she has a little bow that matches and it goes to the front. So that's what we're going to do tonight. Our session is like at 7:40, so it's a good time. The pets are all nice and quiet. I'm not putting too much effort into my makeup. I normally put a tan on and like do it all, but I can't be bothered this year, so I'm just going to wear these cozy PJs and my slippers and yeah, go get our photo. We do it every single year. We normally do it around the 5th of December because yeah, but we're doing it a bit earlier. So yeah, see you guys there. Bye. I'll just do a quick test shot. The cat's like, nope. This is the photo we ended up choosing. Isn't it so cute? This is the big one. Thank you. Amazing. Thank you so much. Hello guys, welcome Vlogmas day one. I'm so excited. We're in the warehouse for day one. I'm literally just packing up a few tote bags and then I have put the kettle on and I need to sit down and just plan out a few things because I need to do a spotlight trip. We officially broke the last quilting clip. So I need to get some quilting clips desperately. I normally get them from Amazon, but I've just been avoiding making that purchase. So I've got to go to Spotlight and get them. I then have to plan out a few things because we obviously have the launch of, I need some tissue paper. We have the launch of the Fruity Days as signature prints coming up. So there's a bit we need to prep for that. By the time you're watching this, it would already be prepped. And then, yeah, just have like the end of year to organize and all of that stuff. When Charlie was in here this week, I got her to do a tidy of majority of the stuff. So I'm just gonna finish off some other things that need to be tidied. I also have my partner coming in to attach some more things to the wall, like a fan, because it's getting really, really hot. And I don't know if you guys remember my LED light Matchy sign from some of my videos, but I'm going to put that up in the warehouse somewhere as well. So that's what we're gonna do. And in this order, we've got the tote bag in chocolate gingham, adorable. Yes, put the totes together. For some reason the totes are like extra squishy at the moment. Oh, that's the other thing. I'm about to run out of wadding and my current supplier is unable to deliver. So I need to probably go back to my old supplier, which I'm not looking forward to. There's nothing wrong with them, I just don't like the company. But that's for another time. So yeah, I need to organize some more wadding. So our grocery store, Coles, just started stocking a few M&S products. M&S, Marks and Spencer from London, UK, England. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm so excited because I'm obsessed with like English food. Percy pigs are like my favorite. Anyway, I am venturing out on all of the products that they've released. This is the Luxury Gold M&S tea, which was part of like a pack. So I've got that here to try. And I've also got peppermint bark. My partner has already snuck into this, but I am a huge fan of the Pottery Barn peppermint bark. I'm not sure where that's originally from, but the whatever peppermint bark they stock at Pottery Barn. And then that's about it for peppermint bark in department stores in Australia. So I was so happy, and it's about $60 for like a tin. This was $29 for 250 grams. So I'm super excited to give it a try. If I can get the tin open, I'm going to have a little bit with my tea. But basically, if you don't know what peppermint bark is or you haven't had it before, it's like 2 layers of chocolate, like dark chocolate and then white chocolate, or milk chocolate and then white chocolate. And then it's sprinkled with like candy canes. But the best part about it is the candy canes go like soft, almost like, I want to say stale, but it's not stale. And it just makes like for a really delicious treat. So yeah, I'm so excited to give this a try. It's kind of what it looks like. Cheers. Definitely got the peppermint flavor. You guys know me. I'm a peppermint dessert girly. Like, I'm not in the camp that peppermint tastes like toothpaste. I love peppermint. This is good. It kind of tastes like if I were to make it myself. Like it's quite simple. So like it tastes like I added peppermint essence into it. I'm not sure if that's candy cane is soft. It's good. I think I like the Pottery Barn one a little bit better because, I don't know, there's something different about it. It's been like 2 years since I've had the peppermint bark at Pottery Barn because I couldn't actually get it last year. It sold out before I had got it. So I might have to go early and try it again this year and do like a comparison. But this kind of tastes more like simple, but the one from Pottery Barn like has like an extra I've just completely like flooded my taste buds with peppermint, so this is kind of hard to taste. It does taste different to English breakfast. I like that. That's a nice cup. Okay, I'm gonna leave you for a minute because I have a bunch of planning to do, and I'll check back in soon. It's finally time to pack up these 2 orders that I've been working on today. It's starting to get dark, so I'm keen to wrap up this vlog, pack these and head home. Unfortunately, I have run out of swing tags, so I'm really praying that my order comes in soon, but I will have to send out a few orders without swing tags. I mean, it's good because it's less wastage, but still, I really love my swing tags, so I'm a little bit sad about that. But this first order is a banana Hellll's pouch, and we're going to wrap this one up in some tissue paper. I set up the tissue paper before, but I'm not sure if it's right. I would love to know what everyone is buying for everyone for Christmas this year. Definitely leave it in the comments if you feel like you want to. I am like, normally I kind of leave my gifts till the last minute and just get people what they have been asking for, but this year I've really been feeling drawn to do things that are a little bit more personal, so I am excited to see if I get time to actually action any of them. Of course, I will be doing it in Vlogmas, so that will be exciting. But I'm thinking about, a few things on my mind. I definitely haven't started my Christmas shopping. I think I've purchased one thing, but that was more so for me. I bought those like Anthropology cups. So I just got some for my family members, and yeah, that's about it, but mainly because I wanted them. But the next order has a full matching set, which is so cute. I also won't show the items that are customized in case they're watching, but a coin pouch, and then we've got a book sleeve. Where is that eraser? I love how something can be here 1 minute and then the next it just completely disappears. Gosh, how frustrating. There we go. Next we have a laptop sleeve. Then we've got a carry-all bag. That is all done. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching Vlogmas day 1. I'm gonna head home now. I hope you all enjoyed watching and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.